Well, running the lamp with the aid of the small coil and one transistor and a ballast there where I've got two capacitors, one going into the ballast and one coming out of the ballast. And then the lamp going into the 12-volt battery, running at 12.49 volts DC, direct current, and we are using 46.4 milliamps. 46.4 milliamps. So, and on the scope, we get the yellow trace is the output going directly to the lamp, and the blue trace is the gate or base of the transistor. So the blue trace runs at 4.7 megahertz, 4.5 volts peak to peak, and the yellow trace gives me 7 volts peak to peak or RMS, 28 volts peak to peak at 2.5 megahertz, 2.3 megahertz. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect everything so that that stops, and then I'm going to run just the lamp. I'm going to do this with one hand. So we take the coil away. We put that one of the multimeter on there. The other side of the lamp is there. And then the lamp draws 95 milliamps. And I must admit, it is quite a bit stronger. And 94.9, 94.8 milliamps. So, in conclusion, why would I run the coil and have a little bit less light, but using less power, so my battery's gonna last longer? Or I can run the lamp full length, full strength on the battery, and then my battery's gonna not last as long. It's gonna go flat quicker, but I will have more power, more light. So, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and write in the comments, what do you guys want to see next? I have been working hard on creating more content, but I stopped drinking wine, so I'm lacking of empty wine bottles to wrap wire around. But I can bring some of my old wine bottles back. That could be nice. Run some of my old wine bottles. And create some content with them. Who knows? That might be a good idea. Unfortunately, my cat got a bit overzealous and pushed this one off the table here and it broke. So the glass bottle underneath here is actually broken. But I can find another bottle and rewrap it, I suppose. Not a problem. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.